Goa lost a veteran scientist, Dr. Untawale. He was 79 years old. He expired at Manipal Hospital on Saturday morning after brief illness. The former deputy director of National Institute of Oceanography has had immensely contributed to Goa in terms of trying to serve coastal biodiversity, sand dunes, and Goa's richest mangroves. After attaining PhD doctorate from Nagpur University in 1972, he joined India's premier institute NIO based in Goa. He then retired as the deputy director of NIO and was also its advisor for a few years. But besides his regular job as scientist, the major contribution to Goa was in the field of coastal and marine biodiversity, coastal vegetation, sand dune vegetation, marine protected areas, and coastal environment impact assessment. Due to this tireless work, he was also known as the Mangrove Man. He also contributed for the Dr. Salim Ali Bird Sanctuary and Jordan. It's a Goa 365 Bureau report.